In this tutorial, I wanted to take a break from our AutoCAD polylines that we've imported to do some basic drafting, basic drawing out geometries. In case you're doing your own project and you don't already have these lines drawn out, you can draft in Rhino much like AutoCAD or many other programs. We'll go back to the top view and we'll just make a few geometries out here in the middle of nowhere. We'll just go over a few basic drafting techniques. So we can use a polyline, and here we can draw whatever we want, and then we can connect it, and then it's a closed curve. Select and delete it. We can do just a line with not a polyline, and then we can you can specify how long you want it to be. You can ortho snap or object snap where you want it to go. You can offset, and you can select the distance you want offset. You do both sides. Go 0.5 feet on both sides. And here's our two lines a foot apart. Then we can use primitives a lot. So much like a rectangle or an arc or a circle, just use a rectangle and make a square column. So we can move or rotate these guys wherever we want. M is the move. And then we can do trim or extend. Let's extend these. Select boundary objects. Select this one, these guys, and then now this one's extended over there. And then we can do trim. Very basic. Select object to trim. Select that guy. You can trim that one, or just select all of them and then take out the ones that you want. And then how we're going to use this in this tutorial, or in this case study, we're going to basically just be extruding curves to create the geometries we want. So in the end, we'll join those geometries. And now we have one complete polyline that I can select however I want. And I'll move this into my my space or wherever I want to put it in the model. Toggle to the perspective view, and then I'll extrude it. So extrude curve, it's capped, I'm not deleting the input, and then do 32 feet, just so, and there's our geometry extruded. So if you aren't following along or doing some as-built modeling, or you're designing your own thing, you can feel free to draw out whatever you need and then follow our tutorial as we model the rest of the architecture building.